Hi, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Toyota RAV4 CV, stock reference number 4967. This shape runs from the 11th month 2005 through to the 11th month 2012. It has a 2AZ FE, 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2AZ FE, 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight, left front 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Bonnet appears to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, spare wheel cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light, right rear 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, tail window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy vinyl steering wheel with audio and cruise control. I'm Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.